Hello, friends. Get ready for a transformative journey as we explore the extraordinary world of willpower. Today, I'm thrilled to reveal the secrets that go beyond biology and delve into the realm of psychology. Join me. I'm going to uncovering 5 mind-bending factors that can supercharge your motivation and elevate your willpower. Discover the magic of chunking with David Blaine's secret. Witness the transformative power of confidence. Challenge the limits of your willpower beliefs. Reshape your identity for success. And ascend to new heights with high-level thinking. Can you unlock the hidden potential within your mind to defy the assumed boundaries of willpower? What if the key to unbounded willpower lies not in biology, but in the recesses of your thoughts? Join us on this mind-bending journey. Your willpower's fate hangs in the balance. Are you ready to rewrite the rules of self-control and plunge into the depths of your own potential? Before we start the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe the video, where you will get motivational videos every day. Let's start. Chunking. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. Our journey begins with the fascinating concept of chunking. Picture David Blaine, the magician renowned for his endurance stunts, including spending over 63 hours encased in ice. How did he pull off such incredible feats? The answer lies in chunking. Instead of being overwhelmed by the monumental task ahead, Blaine broke it down into manageable hours. He focused on each hour, telling himself, "I simply have to navigate the upcoming hour." This approach created a continuous supply of willpower, allowing him to conquer the seemingly impossible. Now, let's apply this to your life. Think about that big project or daunting task. Instead of fixating on the end goal, break it down into smaller, achievable steps. By adopting a chunking mindset, you'll find yourself equipped with a steady stream of willpower to tackle each step, turning the impossible into the possible. Number 2. Confidence. Believing in one's ability to accomplish tasks reduces the required willpower. Moving on to our second psychological factor, confidence. Imagine wanting to lose 20 pounds. It might seem like an insurmountable challenge, but let me share a secret. Confidence is the key to making any task lighter. Think about it. If you surveyed individuals randomly on the street about their confidence or about losing 20 pounds, many would admit they're not confident at all. Now let's use chunking to our advantage. Instead of focusing on the entire weight loss goal, break it down. What if you aimed to lose just 1 pound? By setting smaller, achievable milestones, you start building confidence with every step. Celebrate those small wins. Each pound lost becomes a testament to your capability. As your confidence grows, the journey becomes less about willpower and more about a series of achievable victories. Number 3. Changing view of willpower. Shifting the perception to tap into unlimited willpower. Shifting gears, let's explore how we view willpower itself. For a long time, there was a widely accepted belief that willpower is a limited resource, a fuel that depletes throughout the day. However, a groundbreaking study in 2010 by Professor Job 5 challenged this perspective. The study revealed that our reservoir of willpower surpasses the quantity we typically utilize daily. It's like having an almost limitless reserve waiting to be tapped into. Knowledge truly is power. By understanding the intricacies of how willpower functions, you gain control over this vast reservoir. So, let's establish the truth once and for all. Your willpower is not limited. It's your brain setting a perceived limit. By studying and practicing how willpower works, you gain the knowledge to tap into your unlimited reserve. Believe in your ability to control it, and watch as your willpower becomes an unstoppable force. Number 4. Changing identity. Aligning one's identity with goals decreases the willpower needed. Now, let's delve into the 4th psychological factor, identity shift. Your identity plays a crucial role in shaping your habits and, consequently, your willpower. Imagine you're trying to quit smoking. Many would approach it with the mindset, "I can't smoke. I had committed to quitting." But what if you shifted your identity? Instead of identifying as someone trying to quit, see yourself as an individual who has never smoked. I am not a smoker. Language shapes our identity. By carefully choosing our words, we can create an identity that aligns with our goals. Over time, you'll start believing in this new identity, making it easier to stick to the habits you're building. It's a powerful shift that reduces the amount of willpower needed to embrace positive changes. Number 5. High-level thinking. Focusing on broader, long-term ideas creates purpose and boosts willpower. Our final stop on this journey is high-level thinking. Professor Fujita's study in 2006 uncovered a fascinating connection between thinking patterns and willpower. Those who spend more time thinking about long-term, high-level goals exhibit significantly higher levels of willpower. Think about it. Low-level thinking involves specifics and short-term plans. It's about how you'll get to the gym, what exercises you'll do, what foods you'll eat. Now let's elevate our thinking. High-level thinking involves understanding why you go to the gym, why you're losing weight, and why you're changing your diet. By focusing on the broader, more meaningful aspects of your journey, you establish a sense of purpose. It's not just about the how, it's about the why. This shift in thinking elevates your willpower, making it a force that propels you towards your long-term goals. Excitedly, there you have it. The 5 psychological secrets to unlocking your willpower. This journey is about more than just overcoming challenges. It's about transforming the way you approach life. Imagine a world where each obstacle becomes a stepping stone and each victory propels you forward. It's time to press play on your transformation.